Hi! In this video, I will show you how to register and check SSS contribution online. This SSS online registration is a complete guide how an SSS member can register their SSS account online through My.SSS. After a member registered on SSS Online, they can easily view their monthly premiums, loan balances, employment history, and their static information anytime, anywhere if internet connection is available. While this is good news to the members, most of it still prefer to visit the nearest SSS Service Office to inquire about their SSS account due to lack of knowledge how to use this system. And because of that, we prepare this easy and simple step-by-step tutorial. First part, SSS account registration. Step 1, go to SSS website www.sss.gov.ph. Step 2. Click the button with the label "Click here." Make sure that you are in Members section, not Employer. Step 3. Select how you register your account. Using your UMID card, using your registered mobile number, or your latest receipt. Step 4. Fill out the required information in the SSS Online Member Registration Form. Make sure that you are providing the correct information and that you can open the email address you provide in this form. Step 5. Double check everything. Don't forget to accept the terms and conditions by clicking the checkbox beside. And then, click the Submit button. Step 6. With no errors in your form, after you hit the Submit button, a confirmation will appear informing you that you have successfully submitted your registration application to SSS for validation. Something like this. Step 7. If the registration is successful, you will receive a confirmation email from SSS with your username and password. When you click the link, the screen will pop up to enter your desired password. Use 8 to 20 alphanumeric characters, or your password must be 8 or more characters containing numbers and letters. Now that you have your username and password, you can now check your SSS monthly contribution, loan balances, employment history, static information, and other SSS online services. Part 2. Checking SSS contribution and other inquiry. To check your SSS contribution and other SSS inquiry, you will need to log in using your username and password provided by SSS when you register your SSS account in Part 1. Step 1. Go to SSS website www.sss.gov.ph. Log in as a member, not employer, using your username and password. Step 2. Under e-services menu, click Inquiry. Step 3. Member Inquiry page will appear where you can check everything in your account. Just navigate the menu bar. For example, actual premiums. Step 4. Now you can easily check all your monthly contributions starting when you become an SSS member. Note, if you're using a public computer like in an internet cafe, don't forget to log out before closing your browser. Disclaimer, pictures of this tutorial are not mine. Credit to the owner.